Postgraduate research can be really, really rewarding at times because it's such a unique thing to be doing, but there are really challenging times as well where you have to utilise your support network and the large network of researchers and resources available.
Alex 1.
I'm Alex. I'm a final year PhD student on the MRC DTP at the University of Manchester. I study an anti-aging gene called alpha-klotho as a therapeutic target for Alzheimer's disease. We're trying to look at the types of intracellular signalling pathways, the biochemistry that this klotho protein is altering within the brain to protect it from death in diseases like dementia. Just before my PhD, I did an integrated master's in neuroscience with a view to moving on to postgraduate research. I took a short break and worked. One of the jobs I had was a short period in a dementia specialist care home. I think the topic of dementia research and Alzheimer's, firstly, I think the pathology is really interesting. It's a very large problem with multiple hypotheses behind it, and we haven't figured it out in over 100 years. But also, there's a personal element there. I think, like a lot of people, I've been personally impacted with my family with dementia. I applied for the Medical Research Council Doctoral Training Partnership. The main reason I looked for a DTP was because of the extra structured training and opportunities and funding that you can get. Obviously, the Medical Research Council is a really large organisation, so you get a lot of backing. As part of the MRC DTP, I did a policy internship. I did that in the civil service in the Government Office for Science. That was really, really good to get me some experience outside of research in terms of how research is applied to impact policy and actually influenced my career choice. Science policy is something that I'm really, really interested in after my PhD, and it's something that I didn't even know you could do as a career coming out of a PhD. I chose to apply for a postgraduate research degree at the University of Manchester because I knew I really, really liked the city. It's really, really vibrant, and the university itself is really large in terms of its network of researchers and the quality of research. It was very in line with my specific interests on dementia. There's a massive breadth of research that you can access here, and the researchers and facilities will help you in your postgraduate research degree. I think one of the good things about a day in the life of a postgraduate researcher is that there's no average day. So one day might be able to focus in on doing some desk work, some data analysis, some writing, and other days it may be 8 to 10 hours straight in the lab. But I like that variability in what you're doing day in, day out. What I would say to prospective postgraduate research students is to be motivated by what you want to do and the research that you're interested in. You've really got to be doing it because you love that field and you're interested in that field, and that's the research that you want to be doing.